Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you about offers and products in Kajabi, so let's dive in. I'm Lainey from Design by Lainey. I'm a wedding invitation designer and I love to teach people how to run a successful, profitable business, especially creative entrepreneurs. So Kajabi has been a huge part of my business ever since I started education. And if you're looking into any kind of membership, courses, other types of education, podcasting, coaching, etc., then Kajabi is going to be for you. So today we're going to talk about products and offers. This part felt a little confusing to me at first, and I was annoyed with the fact that I needed to create a product and an offer every time I wanted to create a product, because to me they were the same thing. But when you actually understand how these two things fit together, it's really powerful. So basically a product is the content. It's the videos, the PDF, the podcast, the coaching, the webinar that you are providing to your clients. And for instance, here's one. Let's choose a different one. This one is called From Start to Suite, and it's a course that teaches you how to design wedding invitations. So what you'll see is we have 6 different modules here, and then within each module we have all these different posts or videos. So let's click on this one and just check it out. That's a really cute screenshot of me. So here we have a video. You can also just do text here. You can type whatever you want. People can leave comments under the video. And then you can also add a PDF download file to any video or any post. You can just have a PDF here. And the modules are just categories in here. And then the posts are within the categories. You can also do subcategories if you need more searching and all that kind of stuff. And you can publish these. You can also keep them as drafts for later. You can also drip the content. So I manually dripped all of this content because I didn't have it fully recorded by the time the course started. So every week I would do a module, and then the next week I'd do module 2. The next week I made module 3, and I was able to keep them as drafts and then publish them as they go. Now in the future, I'll set it up so that it drips automatically. So when someone purchases, they'll get module 1 automatically. They'll get module 2 a week later, module 3 a week later, etc. And then you can customize how these products look when people go into them. And there's a ton of different themes you can use. I pretty much just go with the standard, which is this Premiere one. And you can lay them out differently based on how much content you have, the type of content that you have, etc. So all of this stuff can be customized, but I love that people can see here how many lessons they've completed. You can go in here and change all of your information. You can change the colors. You can change how the video players look, etc. So when you go into the product, you'll go to a bunch of different things here. So the product is what this is, and then individual posts is where you can edit like the individual video content player. You'll see it in a second if my internet loads. Perfect. This is not a cute one that we've gone into, but you can change the colors of the play button. You can change how this all appears, if it auto plays the next one, if it shows the next ones over here. Any downloads are going to be right here. So you can change how all of that looks and all of the colors and everything. This Kajabi color is close enough to my branding blue that I typically just leave it. And then you can also edit how the comments appear, how the categories and the announcements appear. You can edit everything. So you have a lot of control. This was the part at the beginning that I wondered why I needed to edit all of this, and then kind of do the same thing within the offers, but I'll show you what that looks like. So if a product is the content that you're delivering, it's the video, it's the PDF, it's the meat of what you're offering, then an offer, which you find under the sales category, is how you package that and present it to the person, how they're able to purchase it. So something you'll see here is I have a few different things for FS2S, which is that product I just showed you from Start to Suite. We have our early bird, full price of $397. We have our open enrollment, full price of $497. Then we have our early bird payment plan, 3 payments of $145, and then our open enrollment payment plan, 4 payments of $135. And so these offers are different ways that people can purchase that same product. All of these have the same product in them, but by putting in an offer, I'm able to say you can use a payment plan. I'm able to change the early bird and the open enrollment pricing. I'm able to do a lot of things. And then on the back end, if I ever want to email everyone who purchased early bird payment plan, I can do that because I have it in a separate offer. Another powerful thing here is you can combine all of your different products in different ways. So if you have 25 products, you can sell 5 of them, you can sell 1 of them, you can sell that one plus a different one if someone wants to upgrade to a second offer. So there's just a lot of different ways that you can use these products. So for instance, in my stationery school, it's my membership, I have 5 basic products, which is like marketing, client process, running the business, etc. And each of those products have a bunch of different lessons under it. So the marketing one has lessons on Etsy, Pinterest, marketing with wedding planners, all kinds of different marketing tools. However, if I wanted to sell that marketing pillar by itself, just the marketing courses, I could create an offer with just that marketing piece in it and sell it separately. So you can mix and match a lot, and I think that's really powerful. So when you go into an offer, you can select, let's choose a different one because I want to show you something fun. Okay, so this is that From Start to Suite, just open enrollment, full price plan. So it's only got 1 product in it, which is From Start to Suite. But if I ever wanted to say, hey, if you join now, you'll get a different one, you'll get a bonus product, I could just add a bonus product in here and it would be a new offer. You can set when the access begins. So say they purchase it for 3 weeks, it's not going active until April 4th. I can just click begin access at a specific date, and then no products will show up for them until April 4th. And then I can do the same as far as restricting access. Now, something that's cool in this offer is I've added an upsell here. And so that appears after they've already purchased. There's an option for them to add on a discounted version of my pricing course as well. So after they purchase, you're able to do that. There's also an option for an offer bump, which would be something that appears at the same time as purchase. So if you said, hey, get this, but for $20 more, you could also get the upgraded version. That's an option too. You're not seeing it here because you can only do a bump or an upsell, I believe. But that would be down here, and you can just choose what the offer bump is. And so that's an option at the time of payment, whereas an upsell is after they've already paid. And then similarly to how you can edit the design for the product, you can also edit the checkout for the offer. And I keep mine really simple, but you do want to go in here and just make sure that you customize everything, put kind of your terms and conditions. I just put something general here and have those on a different page on my website, but there's a lot of options. And then I also link the checkout page for the payment plan offer here if they want to do that. And I link this page on the payment plan offer so they can go back and forth depending on what they want. So it's a little bit more work in that you have to customize this, but it's still really worth it to customize this and the product because there's just so many different options and you can really make it look fully customized to your brand and how you want it to look. So this is the difference between products and offers in Kajabi. I have a code in the description of this video, a link that will get you a 2-week trial of Kajabi for free. So I hope you'll check it out, especially if you're going to be doing video courses, education. It's such a good platform for that. And as you can see in the products, they did recently add a product section for podcasts and coaching. So I'm really excited about that. And if those are part of your offerings, then you can further connect both of those things into email marketing, your website, all of your contacts, all of your analytics, etc. So I think it's going to be really powerful if you use either of those features in your business. But even if not, you can just use regular products, which include videos, PDFs, all types of course content, etc. So let me know what questions you have about Kajabi, and I hope you will stick around and watch some of our other videos on running a successful business. Thank you.